Item 27.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm here to file my counter affidavit. If 3 weeks' time, may kindly be granted, my lord.
But how many time? How many weeks you have already availed?
Lordship, this will be the fifth time.
Fifth time.
Yes, my lord.
So why cost should not be imposed upon you
Lordship, in fact,
for failing to file a counter affidavit?
Lordship, in this matter, what happened is I have asked for certain clarifications from the department. I'm yet to receive that.
No, that's all right. But you have availed 5 opportunity.
Yes. And
so
the department
almost 1 year elapsed.
No, Your Lordship, it was filed only in on 22/7/2025, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
Even then 6 months elapsed.
Yes, my lord. The department has sent the prior comment, and I have asked certain clarifications with regard to that prior comment, Your Lordship, which is awaited, my lord.
Yes. Any objection?
Let it be last chance vote.
Last chance.
Yes.
Okay. On the pair being made by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for SCGC.
No, Your Lordship, I'm for the statement.
State. Having not been objected by learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks.
Well,
However, considering the fact that the learned counsel has already availed 5 opportunity, last chance is granted to him to file the counter affidavit.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 28.
Okay.
Lordship, in item 40,
Yes.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 2, and 5, my lord.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, this matter is born out of a writ petition filed before the Honorable Apex Court, which is WPC 132 of 2016. Now, Your Lordship, on the last occasion when the matter was listed on 23/10/2025, the I have placed the necessary order wherein the Honorable Apex Court has listed the matter on 15th of December 2025. And thereafter, this Honorable Court has passed an order with the direction that the matter to be listed after the matter is listed before the Honorable Apex Court on 15th 12th 2025. Your Lordship, the matter was listed on 16th 12th 2025. However, the matter could not be taken up. And it was relisted on 13th of 1 2026. I have been informed by the concerned department that the matter has again been adjourned. It could not be taken up. And therefore, if some time can be granted, Your Lordship.
Okay. On the appeal being made by Mr. Swenso, having not been objected by learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned to be listed after
4 weeks, my Lord.
4 weeks. 4 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Is there any interim order? No.
No.
But may I mention item 37 and 38? Lord, I appear for the petitioner, my Lord. Rejoinder is ready. We are filing during the course of the day, my Lord, in one of the writ petition, my Lord.
So, singular rejoinder will be sufficient in both the matter.
Yes, my Lord. Same order, my Lord. We have challenged. There are two parties, my Lord.
Okay.
The same order, both the parties have challenged. my Lord.
Okay. You are for the petitioner.
Both the case, my Lord.
Heard, Mr. Your good name, please.
Rajiv Ranjan Raj.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard, Mr.
What's your name?
For
Respondent number one.
Respond-
Mr. A. Juicy Lord. The counsel for Mr. Respondent number one.
okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will be filing his rejoinder affidavit during the course of the day, and a price for listening the matter after
After 3 or 4 weeks, my Lord.
after 3 weeks.
My Lord, date may be fixed, my Lord. I come from Delhi, my Lord. So if date
Okay.
particular is fixed.
You suggested it. You suggested it.
For 27 February.
27 February. Okay.
Interim to one.
Interim order passed early in both the matter.
Both of them.
Shall continue.
Yeah.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg commission item number 34. This-
Yeah.
That will come up after the outcome of the appeal, my Lord. The appeal is filed, my Lord.
After appeal.
Yes, my Lord. The appeal is filed.
With due respect to my learned friend, the decision given in the single bench, they are appealing, they have a right to. But the question there was for denying disability pension and subsequently dismissed. These were set aside. The present petition pertains to section 20 of the rights of people with disability, which says that you cannot dismiss somebody from service. So, apart from the outcome of the writ appeal, this petition gave me this disposal because the issue pertains to different sections. To let them take their own time, but it shouldn't be subject to the outcome of the writ appeal.
Mm.
These are the two different issues.
Mm.
So they can take time, but it shouldn't be left to the outcome of the report.
Mm. So when can it be listed?
My Lord, after 3 weeks, my Lord.
After 3 weeks.
Yes.
As agreed by learned advocates of both the side, the matter is that's adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, my Lord.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
I beg to mention item 25 and 26 on behalf of my colleague, Your Lordship. Here, the state is yet to file. So kindly grant 3 weeks time, 25 and 26.
Miss, your good name, please.
In a holy, Your Lordship. And
Ina Holy, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of
my colleague, Supong S. Chang.
learned conducting counsel for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned to be listed after
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After
the
3
state
weeks.
has to file on to- 26 as well.
Anybody, you are for the petitioner?
My lord, I'm for petition.
Your good name, please? Any objection?
No.
Having not been objected by learned counsel for the petition. Yes,
Petitioner for 26. No objection.
pardon?
No objection.
For item 26.
Okay.
26.
Okay.
Your
Okay.
Lordship, I also like to mention item 31 and 32, Your Lordship. Here also, the state, in this case, Your Lordship, the state is yet to receive instructions. So this may kindly be listed after 3 weeks to receive instructions and to file affidavit.
Ms. So learned counsel. You are appearing on behalf of
Livika.
Levika. Learned government advocate?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Government advocate. Any objection? Having not been objected by learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter is then adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks, as the conducting council has not received any instruction from the respondent authorities. Bear allowed, receives at least the matter after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, item 33 on behalf of Tiba, Your Lordship. Here also, the state is yet to file. Item 33.
Same order. But who is for the petitioner? Any objection? No objection. Okay.
Your Lordship, item 35 and 36.
Same.
Same prayer, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Lordship, there is an enduring item 35.
35.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. But for how many times you have availed the adjournment
Your Lordship,
earlier?
Your Lordship, I'm not aware because in item 35, I'm mentioning on behalf of my colleagues. So
But having gone through the record, I have found that on many occasions you have availed the opportunity.
yes, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, my colleague, she has some personal difficulties. So I don't know, but I'll inform her to make an endeavor to file by
Okay.
next week.
Okay. Okay.
After 3 weeks. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, interim.
Yes, interim shall continue.
Even item 36, same prayer, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Who is for item number 36? No. Okay.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22 and 23. 23, I am the
Item number?
22 and 23. They are tagged together. In 23, I'm led by my senior, Mr. Maobang. Right now, my senior is out of station, so it will matter in up to 2 weeks, lordship.
Okay. Mr.
I'm Fosiko.
Fosiko Fote, learned counsel. For the petitioner,
Petitioner, lordship.
submitted, his senior, Mr.
Maobang.
is out of station. And as such, he prays for listening the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Fair allowed. Any objection?
No objection.
No.
Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Wait, please stop. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 to 21. Lordship, in this case, in this matter, we have already sent a vetting to the concerned ministry. However, despite the several reminder, we have not received any instruction till then.
You are for the
Our respondent one,
respondent number 1. Who is the respondent number 1?
Union of India.
Union of India. Mr. Your good name, please.
Masila Zorate.
Learned counsel appearing
On behalf of my senior Yamawati, CGC.
appearing on behalf of Mr. So learned conducting counsel. No, learned CGC. CGSA. Price for listening the matter after? After?
After 3 weeks. Sir.
3 weeks.
Yes.
After 3 weeks, as he has not received any instruction from the respondents. The pair having not been objected. Any objection? Go for the petitioner.
Lordship, Lordship, the state respondents are also yet to file their affidavit.
Having not been objected by Mr. Potter, learned counsel for the petitioner,
Right, Lordship.
the pair allowed. You are for the
For the state response.
state respondent. You have filed your affidavit? Already filed. Mr. So-and-so, learned. In what capacity you are appearing? As
As additional advocate.
additional advocate general for the state respondents.
Right.
His Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 24. I pray that this matter may be listed after the disposal of the division bench matter. Because we have challenged a particular order in this case.
You are for the?
And for the respondent
Okay.
two, respondent two.
You are for the petitioner?
Krishna,
Heard Miss, your good name, please?
I still your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Miss so-and-so, learned. You are appearing as government advocate,
No, your Lordship, for the private respondent.
private respondent. The learned counsel for the private respondent, press for listing the matter after
The disposal of the.
after disposal of the writ appeal, being writ appeal number.
I'm not certain, your Lordship.
You have not remember. You please give the number to her
Okay.
after some time.
I'll do that.
Okay. Pair allowed. The matter is then adjourned to be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship,
Obliged,
interim will be
Lordship.
extended. Yeah.
Interim.
Yes.
Was interim order pass earlier shall continue.
Obliged, Lordship.
For motion, item numbers 1 to 5.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the present IS been filed to implead the plaintiffs in the declaratory suit number 6 and 7 of 2005, as directed by order dated 11/12/2025 by this Honorable High Court.
Hmm.
Lordship, for convenience, my particulars are in paragraph number 6, page 4.
Paragraph number 6.
6. These are the individuals that
Who are to be impleaded
impleaded.
as a respondent.
Respondent number 3 to 9.
Okay. Heard Mr.
Item.
Learned counsel for the applicant. And also heard Mr.
LD something.
Learned additional advocate general.
LD something.
This interlocutory application is preferred by the applicant for impleadment of the plaintiffs in declaratory suit number 6 of 2005, as well as declaratory suit number 7 of 2005, as directed by this court by order dated 11/12/2025, passed in WPC number 43 of 2025. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that a declaratory suit number 6 of 2005 was filed before the learned civil senior division Dimapur by one Sri Bhilholi Khate, and during the pendency of the suit, the plaintiff expired, and therefore he was substituted by 6 legal representative, namely, it is in paragraph number 3 of the IA. 6 names are there. And in declaratory suit number 7 of 2005 was filed before the learned civil senior division Dimapur by Angami Women Farming Cooperative Society Dimapur, Nagaland, represented by its president. However, the petitioner has been informed that the nomenclature of Angami Women Farming Cooperative Society Dimapur, Nagaland, is now changed as Kuda Raja Angami Yafu Koroto. and Ms. Suka Desai is the president of the said organization. And the plaintiffs in declaratory suit number 6 and 7 of 2005 as mentioned in the first appeal number 1 of 2014 arising out of the impugned judgment dated 10/3/2014 passed in declaratory suit number 6 and 7 of 2005 and as such the applicant prays that he may be permitted to place and rely upon the copy of first appeal number 1 of 2014 at the time of hearing of the petition, writ petition, and also for impleading the plaintiffs in declaratory suit number 6 of 2005 in connection with WPC number. In connection with WPC number
43,
43 of 2025.
25.
2025. The learned additional advocate general. Any objection?
No, but
So means that he has no objection in the event of allowing this interlocutory application. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of learned counsel for both the parties and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, this interlocutory application stands allowed.
Lordship, I may be,
Srimati,
no, I may be permitted to file amended cost title.
yes. Srimati Virijeno Khate, Srimati Pithogono Khate, Srimati Vishnu Bisorno Khate, and Sri Vipito Khate, Sri Nauselo Khate, Sri Seivitu Khate be implemented as respondent number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8
8 and 9.
in the WPC number 43 of 2025. And in declaratory suit number, plaintiff in declaratory suit number 7 of 2005, Khuda Reza Angamiao Khorto also be implemented as respondent number
9.
9 in
WPC 43.
WPC number 43 of 2025.
Lordship.
In view of the order passed in the IN number, no, in terms of this IN number so and so is that's disposed of. In view of the order passed in the IN, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall file amended cause title in the WPC number so and so within a period of 1 week from today.
Lordship, 3 days, because after that notice has to go. So within
After 3 days. Okay, all right, 3 days.
Much obliged.
In other WPC, whether any order is to be passed?
No, Lordship, in other WPC, by the last order, notice has been complete. We are waiting for the appearance only.
Appearance.
We have implemented in the other WPC, we have already implemented.
No, today any order is to be passed in those no, those are WPC, not required. Okay.
Not necessary.
Okay.
But it may be listed after on Friday. Lordship.
Recess and list the matter on Friday.
Lordship. Much obliged.
For motion, item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, the petitioner is seeking the indulgence of this court, Lordship,
yes.
because she has been involuntarily displaced, Lordship. Now, what has happened is that, Lordship, the district level committee, verification committee has assessed the property, Lordship, not the land, just the properties, Lordship, because she has been displaced. Now, her entire family, they have to locate to another location. They're renting, Lordship, adding financial burden. Now, what has happened is that the verification committee headed by the district administration, Lordship. Now they have estimated, Lordship, saying that they have awarded her 21 lakhs 44,906, Lordship. And verification was conducted on 22nd and 24th November 2024, Lordship. Now, during the verification, they have attributed that 40% the burden has to be paid, compensation has to be paid by the NHIDCL, Lordship, and 60% by the Nagaland Department of Nagaland State Transport, Lordship. Now, after the lapse of 1 year, that is on 10th 12 2024 5, Lordship, the NHIDCL has deposited, credited, Lordship, has paid the compensation, they have released the amount. What is remaining from this case is that, Lordship, the 60% amount that is due to the petitioner as per the estimate, Lordship, is yet to be released by the Department of Respondent number 4, which is the Nagaland State Transport Department, Lordship. That is why, Lordship, the petitioner is before this court, because after the assessment, Lordship, it's been more than a year, Lordship. And Lordship, yes, the amount that is due attributed, that is due to be paid, released by the Department of State Transport is 12 lakhs 86,943, Lordship. So the petitioner is here before this court seeking for appropriate direction, Lordship.
Anybody for the respondents? No.
Lordship, we have served copies to the state respondents, Lordship.
Heard, miss, your good name, please.
Nitya Gozal, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. In this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has tried for issuing direction to the respondent number, issuing direction to the respondent number, to the respondents, more particularly respondent number 4, for releasing remaining 60% of the assessment for damage compensation amounting rupees 12 lakhs 943.99 rupees. As per assessment made by the district level verification committee in a time bound period. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was displaced because of the damage done on her private residential house, including the land. And she and her families are compelled to stay in a rented premises. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the damage was caused by the direct result of the act or omission and commission of the respondents during the construction of two-lane Kohima Jesami Road and site leveling of Bracewell. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the district level verification committee has assessed the damage and awarded compensation, and thereafter 40% of the awarded amount was credited in the account of the petitioner, but the remaining 60% is unpaid for last 1 year.
More than a year now, Lordship.
For last for more than 1 year. More than 1 year. And being aggrieved, the petitioner approached this court by filing the present petition. Peruse the petition and the documents placed on the record. Let notice be issued to the respondents returnable in 4 weeks.
Lordship.
4 weeks. Step be taken by speed post and also by usual process within a week from today. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
For motion, item number 7.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this application is filed praying for the leave of this court to amend the petition in WPC 205 of 2025, Lordship. The amendment sought for is set out in paragraph 4 at page 37, Your Lordship. Page 37, paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, Lordship. A is for implement, Lordship. The Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, Ayush Bhavan, Lordship. And then B is for amendment of paragraph number 2, deletion of the last sentence. Both missions are under the response number 5. And number C, amendment of the first paragraph of the synopsis and replacement of the second sentence with the following sentence, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard
I've also
Miss
served copies to
So-and-so,
the
learned counsel for the petitioner and Miss
Lordship out for respondent 1 to 4.
respondent number 124, learned
Additional AG.
additional lazy for the respondent number 124. Any objection?
No, Lordship.
The learned counsel. No, this interlocutory application is preferred by the petitioner. No, but preferred by the applicant for implement of the Secretary Ministry of Ayush as respondent number 6 in WPC number 205 of 2025 and also for amendment of paragraph number 2. Paragraph number 2 and also for amendment of the first paragraph of the synopsis and replacement of the second sentence with the following sentence within inverted comma, the aforementioned missions are programs of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Ayush, which are implemented by the state government through the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Family Welfare. The learned additional as submits that she has no objection in the event of allowing this interlocutory application. Para, having heard the submission of learned counsel for both the parties and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, this interlocutory application stands allowed. The Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, Ayush Bhavan, B Block, GPO Complex, INA, New Delhi, 23, be implemented as respondent number 6 in the WPC number so-and-so. And in the paragraph number 2 of the petition, the last sentence be amended as both missions are under the respondent number.
Deletion.
For deletion of the last
sentence.
Okay. Deletion of the last sentence. Put an inverted comma, both missions are under the respondent number 5. And in the first paragraph of the synopsis, and replacement of second sentence with the following sentence. The aforementioned missions are programs of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Ayush, which are implemented by the state government through the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Is it correct, madam? You see the last part, Department of Health.
Yes, Department
of Health and Family Welfare.
Lordship, I think there's a typical error. Health is to
Yes, Health and Family Welfare.
Yes,
Okay. In view of above, no, in terms of this IA stands a disposal. And para, in view of the order passed in the IA number so and so, now the petitioner shall file amended cause title within a period of
a week, Your Lordship.
Within a period of 1 week from today. At least after 1 week.
Much good.
For motion, item number 8.
May it please Lordship.
Yes.
The matter pertains to non-payment of undisputed pending bills, Lordship. After I have completed maintenance of road, Lordship, from Dimapur to Ganesh Nagar. There's a completion certificate which is issued by the department. The road has been measured, Lordship, and even the authorities, there's a communication between the authorities that says that the amount is admitted, Lordship. Page number 22, Lordship.
That's all right, but this annexer number A and annexer number B
Yes, Lordship.
are same.
Yes, Lordship. This two are the same.
Whether it is a one work or it is of two works.
Lordship. There are two work orders, Lordship. Only the number is different, Lordship.
Where?
It's mentioned on the top, Lordship, left. The work order number. The first one, annexure A, is EE/DMR/DB-29-2009/92-94, Lordship. And the second is 95, Lordship.
Okay.
This is the only different, Lordship. And Lordship, can you come to page number 16 and 17? These are the receipts for the two orders, Lordship. The first one was executed in the year 2010, and the second was executed in the year 2011, Lordship. If you're Lordship, can you come to page number 16, Lordship? And receipt. Page number 16.
Yes.
Lordship, serial number 4. Date of commencement, if you're Lordship.
10.
20.
21/10/2010.
Yes, Lordship. And date of completion is 9/11/2010. And date of measurement is 10/11/2010. So they have to already certify that it was completed. It was measurement was done. And if you're Lordship, can you come to page number 17? The Podum receipt, Lordship. I have also a type copy, enclose the type copy, Lordship. If you're Lordship, can you come to serial number 4? Date of commencement is 7/9/2011.
Okay.
Date of completion is 27/9/2011.
But it relates to the same stretch.
Yes, Lordship. It's 40 kilometers. So two different work orders were issued for the same work for a stretch of 40 kilometers, Lordship. That is the instruction I've received from the client, Lordship. Now, several certificates and statements were also issued by the concerned departments, Lordship. And if your Lordship, kindly come to page number 22, Lordship. Page number 22. This is dated 10th August 2011. May I read it, Lordship? With reference to the subject mentioned above, I am to forward here when an outstanding liability amounting to rupees 57,37,900. The above cited work has been executed by the department during the emergency and also to solve the public grievances in several roads. May I therefore request to the owner may kindly take up the matter with appropriate authority to release fund from you, and please. So this is a letter written by the executive engineer to the chief engineer, Lordship. So it has been already been measured. He has issued that the work has been completed, and the total liability being 57,37,900, Lordship. So this is an admitted liability.
Okay.
Okay. At this
Yes,
stage,
madam.
Lordship, may kindly issue notice, your Lordship, on this stage.
otherwise,
There are
Lordship,
certain
my
instructions.
limited prayer is if this order is passed, to verify the genuineness from the records, and if found genuine, Lordship, amount may be released if that simple direction may be issued, Lordship, to save the precious time of this road court, Lordship, to the respondent authorities, because this amount is already been admitted by the authorities, Lord.
It's the executive engineer, so I'll have to take instruction from the government level as well, so.
Okay, you obtain instruction or we will not issue notice today. You obtain instruction if we can dispose of the matter without issuing notice, we will
Yes.
see.
Instead of Friday. Lordship.
Friday,
Yes, Lordship.
On Monday, your Lordship.
next Monday,
Yes.
next Monday. Okay. Heard Mr. Mauzamir, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Madam so-and-so.
Oh, yes, on Tuesday that, Tuesday,
Monday is holiday.
26, Republic Day on 26.
Okay,
27th.
okay. You are appearing in the capacity as
Government advocate. your
government
Lordship.
advocate
Yes.
for the state respondent. Good. for the state
1
respondent.
to 4.
In this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has applied for issuing direction to the respondent authorities to release pending bill amounting rupees 57,37,900 for maintenance of Dimapur to Ganeshnagar road, providing pothole repairing from 00 km to 40 km, and also to grant interest at a rate of 18% per annum on the outstanding pending bill. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that by order number DMR/DMR/TB-29-2009/92-94 dated 18/10/2010, being work order number 1 and order number DE/TB-29-2009/92-94 being work order number 2. The Office of the Executive Engineer PWD R&B Dimapur Division sanctioned and assigned 2 work orders to the petitioner for similar work titled Maintenance of Dimapur to Ganeshnagar Road, providing pothole repair at 00 km to 40 km for an amount of rupees 37,17,200 rupees is directing commencement of the work immediately, and thereafter the petitioner has completed the said work with the terms and condition of the contract within the stipulated period of time and to the satisfaction of the respondent authorities, and submitted all necessary reports and documents. Thereafter, the petitioner was paid a sum of rupees 16,96,500 rupees for both the work, but an amount of rupees 57,37,900 remain unpaid, despite admission of the liability by the respondent authorities. And despite completion of the work and measured, the state respondents have withheld the legitimate dues to the petitioner, which is arbitrary and unreasonable and also violative of Article 14, 19, 1, within bracket 1, within bracket small g, and 300A of the Constitution of India, and being aggrieved, the petitioner approached this court by filing the present petition. The learned government advocate submits that she may be granted some time to obtain instruction. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of learned counsel for both the parties, it is provided that recessal is the matter on 27th of January, so as to enable the learned government advocate to obtain necessary instruction. Recessal is the matter on 27th.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 9.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, in the instant matter, I am aggrieved with the impugned essential notice dated 28/12/2025 issued by the respondent bank. Your lordship, in the instant matter, I am a businessman by profession, and I am the proprietor of Messrs. Delight Furniture. So in order to run my business, I had availed loan from the respondent bank to the tune of rupees 40 lakhs in the year 2009, Your Lordship.
No, you say the e-auction that was fixed on 12/1/2026. Today
Lordship.
we are on 19th of January. Whether
Lordship.
auction was conducted on 12/1/2026?
Lordship, that is not in my knowledge. That is why in my interim prayer, I have prayed to the Honorable Court that if there was any bidding regarding my property, then the respondent bank may be directed to not to further proceed with that e-auction sale notice, Your Lordship.
No, if it is already
Since
conducted, you obtain instruction and you come prepared.
Lordship, no doubt, as per respondent banks, they have already issued this essential notice. But whether there was any bidder or not prospective buyers, as of now, I am fairly stating before the Honorable Court that it is not in my knowledge. So that is why my interim prayer is that if there was any bidding, let the respondent bank be directed not to proceed further with that e-auction sale notice, Your Lordship.
You first obtain instruction whether e-auction was conducted on 12/1/2026 or not. Only thereafter we will consider your interim prayer.
Lordship, since it was a e-auction sale, so as of now, even it is not in my knowledge whether there was any prospective buyer or not.
You obtain instruction.
Because as per
we'll list the matter tomorrow or day after tomorrow. In the meantime, you obtain instruction.
Lordship, since if there was any bidder who had participated as per that e-auction sale notice, then definitely since my case is that the matter has already been settled by the Lok Adalat. So the respondent then, without complying with the Lok Adalat order, they are doing all these things. So that is totally illegal. In case, no doubt, as of now, it is not in my knowledge whether there was any these bidders they have participated or not. But in the meantime, if I don't get any,
therefore you come prepared, you obtain necessary instruction. We will list the matter tomorrow.
Lordship, tomorrow I won't be available, Your Lordship.
Then day after tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow is on Wednesday.
Division bench.
Your Lordship, that in the meantime, notice may be issued to the respondent bank because
you see, if e-auction was conducted on 12/1/2026 and the process is over, then this petition become infructuous.
Lordship, even if there were any bidders who had participated, but as far as this paper execution, I don't think that till now there won't be any paper execution. As of now, only there would be some bidders only. Because definitely this all this paperwork has to be done.
Okay, let notice go at this basis. Heart, mister. Your good name, please.
P. Suren, Lordship.
P. Suren.
P. Suren, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. In this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the e-auction sale notice dated 28/11/2025, whereby prospective buyers have been invited for e-auction sale of the mortgage immovable property along with standing building of the petitioner's father, namely late Wazicho Mero, who stood as guarantor on behalf of the petitioner for a loan of rupees 40 lakhs by depositing his original land patta bearing number 21 Dag number 55 Moza 03 measuring 1 bigha 3 katha 10 lasa, which was mortgaged to the respondent bank by the petitioner while availing the said loan. And as per the said impugned e-auction sale notice dated 28/11/2025, at condition number 3, it has been mentioned that e-auction of the said mortgage property will be conducted on 12/1/2026 from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. by the insurance officer, persons of the respondent bank through the website mentioned therein. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that it is not in his knowledge as to whether e-auction was conducted on 12/1/2026. And as such, he submits that at this stage notice may be issued. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of learned counsel for both the learned counsel for the petitioner, it is provided that notice be issued to the respondent returnable in 4 weeks. Step be taken by registered post, by speed post, and also by usual process within a week from today. List after 4 weeks. Interim pair of the petition will be considered on next date.
Lordship.
The petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner shall also obtain necessary instruction as to whether e-auction was conducted on 12/1/2026 or not. List according.
Lordship.
For admission, item number 29.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
The respondent is yet to file affidavit.
they are absent also.
Yes. They have taken 6 times. So let it be the last chance.
Heard, Mr.
Mahaka.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, none appears for the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that today is the 6th date on which the respondent authorities have failed to file their counter affidavit. And as such, he submits that a last opportunity may be granted to the respondent authorities to file their counter affidavit. They are allowed recessal is the matter after 3 weeks.
Let it be for 2 weeks, Lord.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. In the event of failing to file the affidavit, counter affidavit on next date, the before next date, the court will proceed to hear and dispose of the petition without the affidavit of the respondent authorities. Accordingly.
Much.
For admission, item number 30.
May I please, my lord? My lord, kindly peruse the last order, that is 14/11/2025. Lordship, by this last opportunity was given to the respondent number 4 to 6.
To file their counter affidavit.
No, they have not appeared yet.
Okay.
Then thereafter, the government has said that the main respondents are 4 to 5. They have nothing to say regarding this matter. Respondent number 1 to 3. And if your lordship kindly peruse the second last paragraph, it is provided here in that if the respondent number 4 to 6 fail to appear by the next day, the court may consider proceeding with the matter on the basis of the materials available on record.
Yes, madam.
Item 30, my colleague is appearing and he's absent today. So this may be taken up some other time, Your Lordship.
Lordship, on the last occasion, the government has made submission that it has been recorded. Mr. M. Longkomar, Learned State Counsel, submits that as per the instruction received by him, the matter solely pertains to the dispute between the petitioner and the respondent number 4 to 6. He submits that the respondent number 4 is the Chief Executive Officer of the Dimapur municipality, and it is therefore be the respondent number 4. It will therefore be the respondent number 4 who should respond to the matter. So they have not appeared till now.
Heard, Mr.
I, Jamir.
I, Jamir, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Miss
In a holy Lordship.
learned counsel for the state respondent. None appears for the respondent number 4 to 6. The learned counsel for the petitioner, drawing the attention of this court to the order dated 14/10/2025, submits that by the aforesaid order, last opportunity was granted to the respondent number 4 to 6 to appear before this court. But in spite of the last opportunity being granted to them, they failed to appear before this court. And as such, the learned counsel for the petitioner contended to proceed with the matter in view of the order dated 14/11/2025. The learned government advocate appearing for the state respondent, however, submits that this matter was assigned to Mr.
Muslim.
M. Longkomar.
And Longkomar, Your Lordship. So
N. Longkumar.
M.
M. Longkumar.
Lordship.
But he is absent today on account of?
he's in this mosque.
Yes, he is indisposed of. And surprise for listing the matter after?
2 weeks. Your Lordship.
Lordship, this matter may come for admission hearing after 1 week.
Okay. After 1 week. Pair alone. This is list the matter for admission hearing after 1 week.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, if I may seek your indulgence, Your Lordship, in item 29, Your Lordship, here my colleague was appearing and she had told me that the other side would be mentioning because the state has already filed an affidavit in that case. So maybe she has not given the copy to the petitioner, but the state has already filed counter in item 29. So
Give me
order
the
maybe.
Lordship, in item 30, there's an
interim order passed in item number 30 shall contain it.
Obliged.
So I was under the impression that the petitioner will submit sick.
No. Resti has not received any affidavit.
Maybe.
It is in the office note that counter affidavit yet to be filed.
Okay, Your Lordship, then I'll check in the filing section then. I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 39.
Yes, Mr. Sorma?
Yes, please, Your Lordship. On 5/12, the matter was moved, and the next date was 11/12, where the respondents sought time to file a short affidavit on the mentality of the petition, but they have not filed and not appeared today. And the interim order may be continued.
Heard Mr. R. Sorma, learned counsel for the petitioner. You are appearing for the respondents?
My colleague might have overlooked the matter, so I'm not aware who is.
How can your colleague overlook the matter? Because cause list was published on?
Your Lordship, I'm just assuming because I was not
You are
informed of this
assuming.
matter, Your Lordship, and in team song is.
So it appears that all of you were so casual.
Apologize, Your Lordship. I was not informed about this matter, sir. I've just learned that.
Okay, we will
it's
not
under-
record in your presence today.
Okay, Your Lordship.
None appears for the state respondents. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the interim order passed by order dated 5/12/2025 may be continued. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of Mr. Sharma, it is provided that the interim order passed on 5/12/2025 shall continue. List the matter after.
They will have to file affidavit, so maybe after 4 weeks.
On behalf of-
After 4 weeks. After 4 weeks. In the event of failing to appear and also to file counter affidavit by the state respondent, the court will proceed to hear and dispose of the matter on the basis of materials available on the record. List after 4 weeks. Yes. 24th February, all right. 24th February.
For orders, item number 41.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the court's order dated 25/11/2025, we have already taken step through justice service. However, Your Lordship are yet to file our affidavit. Kindly give us our time.
Heard, Miss?
Rebecca,
Pardon?
Rebecca,
Learned counsel for the applicant. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that though service upon respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 were affected by dusty mood, yet the affidavit could not be filed, and she placed for listing the matter after 1 week so as to enable to file affidavit in respect of effecting service of notice upon the respondent number 1 and 2 by dusty mood. Pair allowed, resist and list the matter after.
For orders, item number 42.
My pleasure, Lordship. Hearing for the respondent, I shall be filing my objection in the IA as well as my counter in the main petition, so some time may be given to me.
Sometime.
If Your Lordship may allow to give a fixed date, since the leading counsel is an outstation counsel.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
Medovero.
Learned counsel for the applicant in IA number 236 of 2025, in WPC number 237 of 2025. With WPC number 237 of 2025. Miss
Rovit Sikram, appearing on behalf of the standing counsel, PB Bora.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
PB Bora.
Learned standing counsel for the respondent.
For the respondent.
All the respondents.
All the respondents.
For all the
For the Bank of
respondents.
Baroda, yes.
Submits that she may be granted some time to file affidavit. Affidavit
In the main petition as well as the objection in the IA.
affidavit in opposition in the WPC number 237 of 2025 and the objection in the IA number 236 of 2025. The pair Having not been objected by the learned counsel for the petitioner instance allowed. SSL list the matter on
17th of February with the consent.
17th of February.
I believe this present case has been wrongly listed in the orders. Both parties are represented. You should have come up in the admission hearing.
Admission hearing. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that all the parties are since all the parties entered appearance in this matter, the same may be listed for admission hearing. Fair allowed, SSL is the matter for admission hearing. Over.